On the eve of a record snowfall hit the city of Leavenworth, Washington, USA. The city of Leavenworth recently declared a state of emergency after a record snowfall and requested assistance from the National Guard, which includes assistance with snow clearing, food deliveries and rescue of cars stuck in the snow. While the main streets have been cleared, some smaller roads remain impassable and completely closed. In a short time, 480 centimeters of snow fell on the city in less than 24 hours. The authorities are concerned about the pressure of snow on houses and buildings. On the east coast of the United States, thousands of flights have been canceled or delayed, public transportation has been paralyzed, and federal agencies in Washington have been paralyzed. There were power outages. There have been many traffic accidents in which a large number of citizens have suffered. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not yet known how 2022 will begin.